Finally, it's here and we have got the first look at Android 12, which should also start arriving on smartphones very soon. By the way, if you missed out on Google I/O event last night, then just don't worry. We got you covered. Google announced Android 12 along with a lot of other things. So you don't have to worry because you can go and check out all the announcements in under 5 minutes in our latest video. So I will place the link of that video somewhere here on the screen so you can go and check that out later. For now, let's talk about all the top and new features as well as privacy changes included in Android 12, the latest version of Google. You are watching India Today Tech. I am Pavni Jain, and let's begin counting on the top features included by Google on Android 12. But before I do that, let me share something with you guys that we are very close to hitting the 1 lakh subscriber mark on our YouTube channel. So just go and subscribe to India Today Tech YouTube channel because we want to reach there as soon as possible, at least before the new Pixel phone is launched. Or whatever. Coming back to the Android 12, the first beta of Android 12 is available on Pixel phones as well as on phones from different brands like OnePlus and Xiaomi and a few others. But let me warn you guys, do have a backup before moving to Android 12 because a lot of users are facing an issue. In fact, OnePlus has rolled back its update for now. So I just want you guys to play safe. Now this new Android 12 will bring a different design. In fact, Google is calling its Android 12 to be the biggest design change in the Android's history. It will also bring fun animations, customization options, useful privacy as well as security features. So let's break it down for you guys in point. Starting from the colors to the shapes of the icons, Google has brought in really new elements to make its Android 12 look really distinctive. Users will be able to personalize their phones with a custom color palette and also redesigned widgets. Using color extraction, the system will automatically determine dominant colors on the user's set wallpaper and suggest the color palette accordingly. These colors will then be applied to the entire OS, including the notification shade, the lock screen, the volume controls, new widgets and more. Google is bringing these design changes through a collaboration between its software, hardware and material design teams. In fact, the project falls under a single design language which is called Material U. Google has worked on the motion and animation on Android 12 to bring about more a fluid experience to its users. These changes will be experienced across tap, swipe and scroll. For instance, when users dismiss their notifications on the lock screen, the clock will appear larger to indicate that they are all caught up. Google has also reimagined important spaces on a phone like notification shade, quick settings and the power button to help users get things done really easily. For example, quick settings will literally allow users to control the entire operating system with a tap or a swipe. These settings will also include home controls and Google Pay. Android 12 will make phones faster and more responsive with better power efficiency. Google says that users will be able to use their Android 12 devices for longer without a charge in comparison to previous Android smartphones. The company achieved this by some under-the-hood improvements, including reducing the CPU time needed for the core system services by up to 22% and reducing the use of big cores by the system server by up to 15%. If this happens, the new Android version will certainly be fast and more responsive. Android 12 includes features to give users more transparency around which apps are accessing their data and also more controls over this data collection. A new privacy dashboard, for example, will offer a single view into permissions settings as well as what data is being accessed, how often and by which apps. Users will also be able to easily revoke app permissions from the dashboard. A new feature has also been added that will tell users when apps are accessing their microphone or camera. Now, going by the previous Android version releases, we expect Android 12 to arrive around August or September for everyone. Till then, you can wait for the new and playful features promised by the company in Android 12. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, do give it a big fat thumbs up and also share it with your friends. Subscribe to India Today Tech YouTube channel as I said earlier, and also consider hitting the bell icon so that you don't miss out on our future content. Thank you.